Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. And the given function is what y is equal to x to power 3 minus 3 over 3x plus 2. So we are going to differentiate this function with respect to x. When you are given a function in form of fraction, we are going to apply quotient rule. So first we recall quotient rule formula. So which is going to be what derivative of y with respect to x is the same as what v du over dx minus u dv over dx and everything all over v squared. So what do you notice in this formula? We write v, we differentiate u with respect to x, we multiply then minus u, we write u, then multiply by the derivative of v with respect to x, then everything all over v squared. So we let this numerator to be what? To be u, then this denominator to be v. So the derivative of that function with respect to x now be equal to v du over dx. We write v, which is in the denominator, 3x plus 2 multiplied by what? The derivative of u with respect to x. And u here is in the numerator. Derivative of x to power 3 with respect to x, you recall our power rule. 3 multiplied by x is going to give us 3x. Then we take away 1 from the power, it's going to become 2. Then derivative of constant, 3 is constant, is going to be 0. So we are done with this part. Then minus u, we write u, which is the up one, x to power 3 minus 3, then multiply by the derivative of v with respect to x. When we differentiate 3x with respect to x, is going to be 3. And when we differentiate this constant, is going to be 0. Then everything all over v squared. And v is in the denominator, which is 3x plus 2, then all squared. So now we're going to simplify further. 3x to power 2 multiplied by 3x is going to give us 9x to power 3. Then 2 multiplied by 3x to power 2 is going to give us positive 6x to power 2. Here is going to be inside the bracket because this negative here will affect this x to power 3 and also affect this negative 3. So this is going to be what? Negative multiplied by x to power 3 is going to give us negative x to power 3. Then multiply by 3 is going to give us negative 3x to power 3. The negative multiplied by negative 3 is going to give us positive 3. And positive 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give us a positive 9. Then everything all over what? 3x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So now we can combine the like term. We have 9x to power 3, then minus 3x to power 3. So this is going to give us 6x to power 3. Then we have plus 6x to power 2, then plus 9. We add this together because they have the same power. X to power 3, x to power 3. So we can subtract 3x to power 3 from 9x to power 3. That's why we have 6x to power 3. Then plus this 6x squared, then plus this 9. So everything all over 3x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. And here's the derivative of this function with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.